Happy New Year. I hope you all doing well. And this is my first video on my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, I've started my YouTube channel and my first YouTube video is dedicated to college going girls and for the girls who doesn't know how to do a makeup. Okay, so let's move to our video. The product I'm using in this video is so affordable, so everybody can afford it easily. So the first product I use while doing my touch-up, or you can say my makeup, is my sunscreen. Guys, never ever skip your sunscreen. It is the most important thing you should use on every day. Whether it is summer, whether it is winter, never skip your sunscreen. So I'm using this Neutrogena SPF 50 plus sunscreen. Yeah. The next step I'm going to is using my moisturizer. I'm using Himalaya Winter Defense Moisturizer. And yeah, while using your moisturizer, always go in an upward position. Never go like dragging your skin down. Always go in an upward position. So the next product I'm using is Pond's BB Cream in 01 original shade. इसमें 3 shades आते हैं, maybe 01, 02, 03. You can buy according to your shade. 01 is my shade. So the next step we are moving forward is done our eyebrow. हमें अपने आईब्रो सबसे पहले करने चाहिए क्योंकि आईब्रो ही सब कुछ हमारा इन्हांस करते हैं. सी, मैं अभी अपने आईब्रो करूँगी और आप इंस्टेंटली एक डिफरेंस देखोगे. अभी मैंने अपना पूरा मेकअप भी नहीं किया है, बट फिर आप एकदम इंस्टेंटली आप डिफरेंस देखोगे कि एक आईब्रो करने से हमारे फेस पे कितना डिफरेंस आ जाता है. तो आई एम यूजिंग मिस क्लेयर आईब्रो पेंसिल इन डार्क ब्राउन. So for the brush, I use my old mascara as an eyebrow brush. Guys, it's a tip, you can also use it. बस एक आईब्रो करने से फेस पे कितना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आ गया. And next step we move forward is using a liner. I'm done with my mascara, and the most important thing I'm using is using my liquid lipstick. This is I'm using Miss Clear liquid lipstick, soft matte lip cream as a blush, guys. Yeah, so I'm again using my finger. यहाँ पे ऐसे mix it up using your finger like this. And use it on your eyes, guys, like this. That's it. See? The one lipstick I'm using on my whole face like a blush, like eyeshadow. and in the most convenient way. I don't use any brush, not blusher, not eyeshadow. I'm using just my liquid lipstick as a blusher and as the eyeshadow. Next step, I used my lip balm as my highlighter. Yes guys, I use my Nivea lip balm as a highlighter. I use it on my cheekbone like this. You can see the cheekbone getting highlighted, and it gives you a natural glowing shine. See? Mix it up. So I've removed my excess lip balm, and for now मैं nude lipstick use कर रही हूँ, as this video is for college going girls, so I prefer to use a nude lipstick. So the second lipstick I mix it with my Maybelline lipstick is lipstick from Nykaa, and I'm ready. I hope you guys like the video. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe.